Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming prerequisites: a live internet service, an outlet, and either an Ethernet wall jack or active Globe SIM. Unbox the Globe Wi-Fi unit and plug the power adapter in. You should see LEDs light. Next, insert the SIM if required or connect the modem to the Ethernet line. Do this now because the device needs an upstream link to broadcast. Once powered and connected, wait for the status LED to show online before moving to configuration steps. You log into the Globe setup interface from a connected device. Use the default SSID and admin credentials on the sticker. Once inside, change the Wi-Fi name and create a strong password of 12 or more characters. This secures your network immediately. Make sure the encryption is set to WPA2 or WPA3 and update the router admin password. Also check for firmware updates and apply them. These improve stability and patch security holes. After changes, reconnect devices to the new SSID and test. You finalize by connecting all your devices to the secured SSID and running a quick speed test to confirm expected performance. Configure a guest network and parental controls if required, and enable scheduled reboots to keep the connection smooth. If something goes wrong, start simple. Reboot the Globe device and your modem, then check the SIM or Ethernet connection. Most issues clear that way. If still offline, restore default settings and repeat setup. Only then contact support with LED status and error.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.